everyone. I just want to share something. I don't know if you guys have ever felt it, but this one feeling which has never left me. I just want to pack one bag and leave everything behind. I just want to move somewhere near the mountains where nobody knows me and I'm living in a small house. I just dream sometimes like this. It's not because I hate my life, but because sometimes life feels like too much to handle. For the last few years, I've been working on a very hectic job, and everything is almost feels the same. I wake up, go to work, work on the deadlines, come back tired, and sleep, and repeat the same thing every day. One point, I realized that I'm not looking forward to live my life. I'm just waiting for the weekends, and even on the weekends, I don't rest well. And that's when I, start dreaming like moving to a small town or somewhere near the mountains, living in a small house where it's cold weather and I have a cup of coffee, no notification, no pressure, nothing. So this feeling comes again and again in my mind, and I wonder why I'm feeling like this, why I want to leave everything behind. And is it what my dream goal is, to move somewhere alone, uh, far from my family, far from everyone. And I crave this feeling, like I crave this feeling which I felt whenever I dream about this. So to realize something, I don't want to escape the life which I have right now. I want to escape the burden which I'm carrying for so long, the expectations people have from me, the responsibilities which I have. And all this comes when all this feeling when to leave everything behind, this come when I'm so tired and I've been burdened by my responsibilities or the expectations from the people. So I realized that I don't need my life to be differently changed or leaving everything behind. I want a day to have a peace in my life. I want a day to be very quiet. I don't need any notifications or uh, anything which I don't want on that day. Whenever I felt this feeling to leave everything behind, I realized that maybe I need rest. Maybe I need to stop. Maybe I need to give chance to myself to live the life exactly I want. So what I usually do is I give myself some rest, and I take breaks. I push myself to go out so that I don't get this feeling every day to leave everything behind. If you have ever had this thought where you're wishing to leave everything behind and move somewhere alone in the mountains, please understand that you are not alone. And maybe you don't need a completely different life. You need a day where you find yourself and understand why you're getting this feeling. And I hope both you and I find that peace. So if you have a friend like this, please share your thoughts in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.